Can you guys hear me today? Is it working? Is it working today? Let me know. You better say yes. Oh my goodness, no one's saying yes. Uh-oh. Whew. Oh my goodness, you guys took forever to say yes. Okay. Whew. Okay, let me fix one more thing. No, let me fix my AMPG trade first, and then I'll show my face. Let me close my trade first. Let's go, guys. Let's go. What a monster. From a slow morning to a cooking morning, I like it a lot. Let's cook like this every morning. Let's cook like that every morning, please. Get some music. We really should just be listening to the thrust beats first thing in the morning. But that's okay. That's okay. That's all right. Let's go. And what? And thrust. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I know we could not stream yesterday for some stupid reason, but whatever. We ended up having a lot of fun in Discord. Yeah, and then I was looking at Twitter, and the streaming service itself was having like issues. Everybody was having issues. So stupid. Um, no tomatoes, please. No tomatoes. 2% day today. Uh, PG. What else do we like going into the open? ASST maybe. 1 second. There was one more name that I liked actually. So CADL is another one. AMPG, of course. Right? ASST, man, maybe not so much anymore, right? That thing kind of looks like it's dying. Let me refresh the gainers list here one more time, guys. I know like LASC kind of looks interesting. Let's see. GXI is something you're looking at. La, 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 la. Let's go. Second. 1 second. Man. Here you go. To 50, Sam, is what you're looking for. Chris says we want more. We want more. We want more. Of course, Chris. We want more. If you took this trade on AMPG, type in yes in the chat. Right, so we cooked this one as a teamwork on this one. We cooked it. Look at that, from $1.10 ish, from $1.10 all the way to $2.20 almost. Right, cooked on this one. So um, we did not miss out. You woke up late today. Oh my goodness, AK, you can't be waking up late. Can't be waking up late. So again, another reminder that if you're not a member in Discord, you're missing out big time, right? Big time. We were thrusting. You did, Virus? Yeah, I know this was a good scalpy on this one. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah, let's see what this thing does at the open, right? So again, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Again, this is a legend and GOAT benefit. So if you're not a legend member, you're probably gonna miss out on stuff like this. Alrighty. So exactly, AK, do better. Do better. There he is, the Australian GOAT. Let's go, Grim. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, no, we had a lot of fun streaming in Discord yesterday actually. So that's something we're gonna do a lot more going into like 2025. You know, some teamworks. It was a lot of fun. Grim brought up a monster play yesterday in ICCT, so that was a lot of fun. The S&P is doing well this morning, guys. We had CPI data, inflation data, right? So the market seems to like it, or we've just sold off and we're going back up because the data is whatever. So yeah, the markets are green this morning. Bitcoin is coming back almost back to 99, right? So yeah, today looks like it's going to be a green day unless we just fade everything back to the abyss already. Unless we just fade everything back to the abyss. So we will be watching closely. Again, good morning, everybody. Virus, good morning. Dan, good morning. Grim, Ayo, Ayo, good night. Good morning. Uh, good morning, AK. Good morning, Tesh. Eric, good morning. Troy, good morning. Good morning. Zan, I think you said your name was Zan, right? Cliff, good morning. Kuriko, good morning. Mike, you liking winter? Winter's coming back. Sam, good morning. Lo, good morning. Patricia, good morning. Raven, Ayo, good morning. Good morning, James. Lizzie, good morning. Jay, good morning. Sosa, good morning. Good morning, Wizard. D, good morning. Keep cooking, D. My goodness, an absolute monster. D, I don't know why you don't chat more in stock general because you're an absolute monster lately. Rachel, good morning. Onions, good morning. Dave, good morning. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Trey. Good morning, Bunny. Good morning, Ricky. Yee, good morning. Good morning, Wes. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. If I missed you. Eddie, good morning. Good morning. You're Korean? Okay. Good morning. Question for you guys, Bunny. Good morning. Andrew. Good morning. Question for you guys going into the open. What's your favorite stock going into the open? What's your favorite stonk going into the open? I hit my max loss this morning with minus 10%, $100. I'm still super happy between in 490 from yeah. So still 390 plus. Onions, beautiful. Yeah, you're gonna have some of those red days, right? And that's okay. As long as you keep them small, right? You're gonna be fine. So Amanda says CADL. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, it does look good, right? CADL does look good. It just needs to break out. You can see a lot of resistance like right below 1340. So if it can break above that level, then that's a good thing. So yeah, that's one name we're going to be paying attention to. See if we can get a breakout going into the open. Markets open in 6 minutes. ASST again looked really good early on, right? I know you guys scalped this one and like the breakout and made some good monies, and then it hit that resistance, right below 82 cents. That was a good short, by the way, for Abdi. So But now let's see if we can bounce up 60s, right? The 60s here. I bet you Grim is back in this one. Maybe not. But anyways, let's see if we can stay above 60 cents for ASST. AMPG, really good run. It just looks like it's coming back to retest. So watch above like $1.85 to see if we can stay above. Mr. Chairman, ayo, buenos dias. Monies. Good morning, Jordan. Grim, I know. Hopefully AMPG woke you up a little bit. And again, let's see if we can stay above, right? $1.85 and get back above $2 for AMPG. Get a bit of a bounce going. Good morning, Luna. Ayo. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. It really helps when you smash a like nice and early on already. So smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there. Come join us. Yeah, there you go. There you go. How many trades average you make? I mean, it depends. It really just depends, right? For example, on AMPG, it takes one trade, right? On some trades, it takes more. So it really just depends on, yeah. There goes the market hitting new highs of the day. So that is good. Bitcoin still trying to get above 99. That is also good. And I don't think anybody's really watching anything else that we haven't talked about. So we should be okay. Let me pull up Tesla here, guys. Tesla's at 409, so that's good. What an absolute monster. If you told anybody when Tesla was at 130 something, 140, that Tesla would be at 400 to end the year, I don't think anybody would have said yes. Crazy, isn't it? Crazy. Anyway, some random names popping up into the open, popping as we get closer to the open, though. Apple's working on an AI chip with Broadcom. Interesting. GCTK, nice little pop there, but I don't think that's enough data for us to go on. Yeah, that's good news for Apple, actually. Let me take a look. AAPL. You know what's funny? So, anyways, I don't think it's funny, but anyways, maybe I just, yeah. I think I've looked at Apple for so long that when I try and spell Apple sometimes, I don't know if it has two A's or one A, you know? Anyways, that's just it's just my own TM, good morning. Um, Willie, good morning. Um, yeah. Closer to 60 cents, JB. I'm not even kidding. Like I'll go to spell Apple, and then I'm like, wait, does this have two A or does this have one A? Like I don't spell any names. I use tickers. Exactly. Uh, Dan, I need to cause more problems. We couldn't stream on YouTube yesterday, so more problems. So yeah, absolutely. CADL is still kind of hanging in between the range. It still needs to break out. AMP, maybe we're coming back all the way to that 185. So just give it time to consolidate, please. Right? Especially since we're going into the open, I think people are taking profits. And then for ASST, that thing just needs to consolidate above the 200 EMA there. Then there's one more that I need to pull up, LAES, right? So it's also still selling off. It does look like it has support around $1 though. So if that thing can stay above $1, that's a good thing. Tesla just looks amazing. So Dan should be happy with those calls, those calls he took. Right. Markets open in 50 seconds. Let's go. Just looking here. Anything new, guys? Do That looks like an interesting one too. Let me pull up more charts here, guys. I want to see what that daily looks like. Actually, it's not horrible. Not amazing either, though. Good morning, Queen. Good morning. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave the charts on AMPG here. Let's see what happens at the open already. And then see if anything else shows up that we like already. Here we go. Here we go. Bring us the chaos. Here we go. Yeah, let's see if again LAES. Again, that thing has some nice support around $1.03 to $1. So only concern is that the market is open, but let's see if we can stay above that. Alrighty. CADL again. We know that thing needs to break above like the 13s. AMPG needs to curl up this 50, right now or never. Okay, there we go. So it looks like we're holding $1.70 for now for AMPG. That's crazy, isn't it? Yeah. ASST, yeah, ASST is holding that 200 EMA. So watch that 60 cents at the bottom there. It needs to stay above it. Is it cooking? I don't know if I'd call that cooking yet because it's still down there, but yeah. Come on, let's go. There goes LAST, guys. Beautiful. Dang it. Dang it. Dang. We might have missed this one. I think Grim is in this one. That looks like Grim monies. I'm kidding. Anyways, again, that thing had good support though, right, guys? Coming into the open, right? $1 psychological support, and then pops these LASC. So that looks good. CADL is trying to push back above that supply zone. Alrighty. AMPG again is holding 170, so that's good. ASST is holding 60 cents. All the stocks we're looking at this morning, they all look good actually, right? They all look good, right? Everything is doing what it's supposed to do, but just be careful though. The market just opened. It's going to be all over the place, ups and downsies. So sometimes when you make monies at the open like that, you take it really quickly and then you watch and see what's happening. You sit back and relax a little bit and then see what happens. There we go. Yeah, there's a bit of resistance here, at like around 116. There's a downtrend there for LASC, so it needs to break above that. CADL just cooked, guys. Oof. That thing said, look at me now, right? Look at me now. It's actually halted at 1389, guys. That thing said, look at me now, sir. What do you want to say now? Because I cooking dinner. Nice. That's an explosive candle, right? So beautiful push. ASST, that thing is also pushing to the upside. It just pushed to 68 cents. I don't know if you're in this, Luna. That would have been nice, right? AMPG is the one that's slacking now for some reason. So let's see where it wants to sell off to and then curl. Alrighty. So give it time to sell off and curl, please. Please. Alrighty. Yeah, you got in at 105, and then Grim at 104. I knew there had to be some criminals behind the stock. When something looks this beautiful, I know you guys are not gonna pass it. I just knew it. This stock did not just go from 104 to 116 for no reason. I knew it. There had to be some criminals behind this. Anyway, so again, that resistance is 116 still though. Alrighty. So just needs to stay above $1. Yeah. Absolutely no. That was a good demand zone, right? So pretty solid level. Like look at how far back that goes, right? So especially when it's been consolidating for a few candles already, you can just get lucky and it pops, and then you jump out, right? So now you want to see some higher lows though above the 200 EMA, and then get back above that supply that little downtrend there. Alrighty. Again, obviously CADL is still halted up. AMPG is still selling off, right? So maybe we get close to 155 and then start to curl. So watch 155 ish for AMPG. Alrighty, you also have a bit of an uptrend there, so let's see if that level just becomes a bit of a base. Bitcoin looks nice. The S&P looks nice. Everything looks nice. Again, so hold 155 for AMPG, and that's okay. Alrighty. Yeah, LASC just basically played the range, right? From support to resistance, and then back to retesting that demand zone. So let's see if it can stay above again. Alrighty, cool. And then we shall see. We shall see. SXTP Raven. Okay. Ooh wee! Look at that, beautiful. UT. Good job. Well done, Abdi. Well done. Yeah, you're doing well with those shorts. Well done. We LDTC is looking good. Yeah, it is. So again, LASC just needs to stay above that demand zone there, guys. Alrighty. Let me take a look at some more names here. LDTC. This one was cooking a few days ago, and it looks like it's trying to push up a bit, which is nice. That's the daily candle, by the way, so ignore that. But yeah, it looks very nice, doesn't it? So we talked about this last night in Discord, right? What do we talk about, guys? Coming into the open, what are you looking for? It's actually halted up now, right? So um, that's if this was something that was on your radar, because I don't think you might not have been able to catch this, but it's done exactly what it needed to do, right? And that is break above that resistance, right? Break, which is nice. So LDTC looks nice, but it's halted up. I think this resistance was from a few days ago. Yeah. So this is the last time it ran, right? So it failed at like 187 to 190. Now it's halted at that price. So let's see if they can unhalt and cook it, and then start pushing towards $9. I'm kidding. It's only $1.90. So 14.40 historical resistance. Okay, sounds good. Thank you. ASST is still, kind of hanging around the same price. AMPG is still holding 155. And LASC is still looking good. So it actually came back for the second test, right? And then right back to the downtrend again. So that's something you could have, got back in on the green zone, right? So green means go. I'm kidding. Who knows? But green means demand at the very least, right? So here it goes again from the green zone to the red zone. Resistance broken. 120 next. There goes $1.17, guys. Right, so looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. So yeah, let's see if we can finally close above that downtrend now for LASC. But again, your entry was closer to $1, right? Not at this price. If you're buying at this price, you just like violence. Like you just wake up in the morning and you're like, I don't like peace. I want problems always. That's you, So that's if you're buying closer to resistance. Be very careful. So LDTC is halted at 190, and then CADL is unhalted. So chaos. I kind of don't like when a stock is halting right in that supply zone. It's always a bit of a problem. But let's see what happens. Ayo Kimbella. So let's see if we can stay above and then push. The S&P still looks good. Bitcoin still looks good. AMPG is still holding, even though it came back to retest 155. So as long as we keep closing above 155 for AMPG, then that's okay. If not, maybe we somehow want to go back and retest that 135 where the 200 EMA is sitting at. Hopefully not, right? This is still the first sell off. So 155 was that last resistance, right? So hopefully it stays above that at least. Hopefully it stays above that at least. RZLV zone. Okay, sounds good. Okay. Okay, there we go. 155. Go up already. Hold the trend. AMPG. Can I take a look at Rhyme? You're in at 950. Does it look like it's going to reverse hard? Day trading easy. What's your position? Let me know. Here we go, guys. We're trying to turn around. Come on, Grim. Where's that Grim money? Is Grim sleeping? Wake up. Somebody shake, shake, shake. So that thing's bouncing off the level that we wanted it to bounce. So 155, which is good, right? Perfect. AMPG. Perfect. And then CADL is also exploding up, guys. That thing said, hey, look at me. I'm the captain now. Look at me. I'm the captain now. Looks good. So nice little pop there. Yeah, so easy. Let me know what your position actually is. Alrighty, and then I'll take a look. Please and thank you. LASE looks good, guys. And then LDTC. Looking good, looking good. Okay, there we go. So unhalted on LDTC, guys, hitting brand new highs of the day. LASE looks amazing. If you're holding LASSE still, type in yes in the chat. Is it too late to buy Zion? Come join us in Discord. If you're holding this one, type in yes in the chat. Again, that was a beautiful entry at the open, right? Anything close to $1 was a chef's kiss, you know? Patricia, love it. So you have a bit of resistance as you approach 125 to 130. So just be mindful. Ready? Beautiful, beautiful. So you have the view app up there. So just be careful. You're in rhyme at 9 cents. This okay. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. La 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 la. Entered high and sold with a small gain. Luna. Okay, sounds good. So you got in high, but you still got out for profits. Good, 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 good. There it goes. Right. So there goes brand new highs. 127. Beautiful, beautiful. Monies, guys. Monies, monies. Today's gonna be a cooking day, isn't it? Cooking day. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot, guys. I feel the vibes. I feel the rhythm. I like it a lot. Aha. Send it. I like it a lot. Uh, there we go. It's halted up. Love it. So this is halted up. Congratulations if you're in it, guys. This is clearly the one that the money is going to for now. I like it. So again, $1 or the breakout. Breakout was nice, right? It looks like according to that supply zone, our next resistance, yeah, that's coming from pre-market. So 135 is your next little resistance there. Good morning, Jeff. So that thing is halted at resistance. Righty. So again, BTC looks nice. The S&P is hitting highs. Well, it was hitting highs. ASST, guys, is retesting that 60 cents. So watch for curl around 60 cents. AMPG, again, like I said, as long as we maintain that uptrend and stay above 155, that's okay. Cooked on this one, right? So if we can stay above 155, that's good. Andrew, cooking today? Love it. Well done. High five. CADL is just going back and forth for now, right? LDTC is failing at resistance right below $2. So there's no surprise there. It's failing in the supply zone. No surprise. Always when I'm at work, is the cooking day, Nikolai? Sometimes somebody needs to be sacrificed, I'm kidding, by the way. AMPG is looking beautiful, right? So again, if you bought the dip on AMPG, type in yes in the chat. If you bought the dip skis close to 155, type in yes in the chat. There goes 180. Come on, go, 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 go. Go, 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 please. We don't have time for rubbish. Go, 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 go. There we go. 185, 187. Go, 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 go. You're approaching resistance on 190, guys. Be careful. 190 resistance already. 190 resistance. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. So, and that thing said 190. You think so? Do you know what grid money is? I show you grid money's beautiful bounce though, right? So again, sell off at the open to be expected for the most part, right? Surprise. No, but again, we do have resistance on 190 though already. So yeah. No, 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 no. 177, 176. Okay, sounds good. Love it, guys. Love it. There you go. Right. So 190 back to 170. Are we surprised that it's resistance? No. We want to be ready? Yeah, we want to be ready. Spy slap. No slapping to please, Troy. Bitcoin is above 99K as well, so that's good. CADL is still just chilling there. LDTC. Um, yeah, this one has a massive supply zone, so I'm just gonna keep that one in the back burner for now. LASC is still halted up, so let's see what happens. 157 to 190, Grim. Ooh wee! Are you happy you didn't go to bed? Let's go. High five, Grim. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done, skis. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. GXAI is slowly cooking there, isn't it? Slowly cooking. Slowly cooking. Yeah. Happy, 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 happy. I was listening to a jam today, Grim. It had some like Aussie, not Aussie vibes, some South African vibes. And I was like, I wonder. But I don't know if you listen to anyways. So again, if you sold at 190, guys, I'm glad you sold at 190 because look at this. We just came all the way back down, right? SM music is fire. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm a piano was born. Anyways. Yeah, Palantir deserves it, honestly. That thing is pumped so much. And you know what happened yesterday? There was some crazy selling volume. Like the volume was good, and then all of a sudden it turned negative. Almost like everybody was satisfied and they wanted to dump it. It just kind of seemed weird. But yeah, again, 190 resistance, guys. Sometimes when there's resistance at a specific price, don't get greedy. Just take the money, right? Just take the monies. Move on. Alrighty. Was looking. Really, Nikolai? Dang it. You need to tell that customer to give you a tip, like a big tip, because they cost you monies. Like a big, big tip. Also, that thing was kind of at the bottom at a really nice price. Yeah, they cost you that. Yeah, good virus, good. Yeah, so let's see if this thing can consolidate, guys. AMPG. If it's not consolidating and curling, yes, 155 is support. Be careful though. And as soon as we say that, look at the drop, right? It's one thing. It's one thing for me. Like I'm comfortable with looking at a position when it's getting to support like the first time, right? Like 155 was nice the first time, but when we start getting close to that level again, I'm like, like okay, like this is fishy, right? So when you're getting to support for the second time, let it consolidate. Honestly, it doesn't matter whether it's the first or the second time or the millionth time, let it consolidate. Alrighty. So there goes LASE on halted, and that 135 is resistance. Oh, they did, Nikolai? Okay, good. Yeah, they better. Otherwise, we need to find them. Bitcoin is cooking though. So is the S&P, right? SPY cooking. Troy, no dipskis. Only up today. Breakouts and pump, right? Don't fight the trend. Don't fight the trend, please. Uh, let's see. Can somebody tell Jax to not fight the trend in the futures channel? Hey Jax, don't fight the trend, please. Please and thank you. So Bitcoin hitting highs of the day, SPY hitting heights of the day. Good morning, John. ASST is still holding that 200 EMA, guys, right? So that 60 cents is still holding for this one. If that thing can stay above and the volume comes in, this thing could give us a fat green candle, ASST. So still looking good. AMPG let it consolidate maybe. It would have been nice if this 200 EMA was closer, right? It's actually it would be perfect if we just got a fat red candle to test this area. Oh well, I see you're being mean today. I'm not being mean. I'm just reminding everybody that When the trend is up, you follow the trend. You know? I kidding. Make money, please. There goes CADL, guys, halted down. So lots of supply at the top and then halted down. LDTC just hit brand new highs of the day. And that thing just said, hey, I'm trending up. Oof. That's a pretty nice candle. Stay in your lane. Uh, oh my goodness. Someone's you're ready for blood. I can tell. I can tell you're ready for blood. Come on. Violence. Anybody want to short the markets today? Today we get 1%, at least 1% green. No shorting. No shorting. Go with the trend. All of you people that like to buy puts and shorts. Not today. Yeah, LDTC is halted up, guys. So congratulations if you're in this one. Alrighty. And then in terms of like a retest, watch $1.20-ish for LASE. If it can stay above that, then you're fine. So $1.20 for LASC, hopefully support. Alrighty. Yeah, there it goes. Going back up. You know, just like we're trending up. Yeah, right? Don't short the trend. Just go with the trend. Look at that. We're going back up, guys. You know, there we go. Remind them, LASC, that the trend is up. LASE. Let's go, Grim. I like it. I like it. Come on, L. Go, 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 go. Break above. So again, you still have that supply zone up there right below 135. 33 cents looking good. Raven call out. Love it. I'll take a look. Okay, let me take a look at Sensonic. Sensonic. You're in at 33 cents. Oh, that's a beautiful entry. Beautiful. That 1 minute time frame isn't going to give me anything, but as soon as you zoom out and you look at the daily, you can immediately see like below 37 is a problem, right? Like if you look at these daily candles, right, Jeff, immediately you can already tell, like, oh, what's this, right? What's that? What's that? So 37 is a bit of a problem, right? Maybe at this point you're moving your stop loss up or taking some profits. And if it breaks above that level, then boom skis, we're pushing into the 40s, right? So not bad, but that's a good chart though. That's a very good chart. I mean, it kind of looks like it wants to go, right? So on the daily you have resistance, but on a smaller time frame, it just looks like it wants to cook. So just my recommendation for you would be just move that stop loss up aggressively, and then hope that it keeps cooking to the upside. But that's a fire play by Raven. Then fire, fire, fire. AMPG is trying to hold $1.50 AK. LDTC still halted up, guys. LASE is still finding resistance below 135, so just be mindful. ASST is still playing with that 200 EMA, so watch 60 cents. And Bitcoin is still trending up, as a reminder, and so is the S&P still trending up. There is a bit of resistance here, though, at 606.50 for SPY. So maybe it's going to give you like a fake one red candle and then boom, skis back up. Let's go. Let's go, Grim. Just imagine that there's a guy who bought a LETC at 30 cents. Was that you? La 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 la. Was that you? uh, uh, anything else that we like here, guys? Don't think so. Yeah, we should look for some Google calls actually. Virus. Yeah, so 37 is still a bit of a problem though, right, Jeff? So for cents, so it's gonna need to break above that already. Yeah, see, that was a little fake candle on SPY, and then it just hit new highs of the day. The trend is your what? The trend is your friend. Let's go, Jericho. Good morning. Good morning. LDTC still halted up. We need something else to cook here, though. This is too much consolidating. Shake the markets, Grim. Shake, shake, shake. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. Again, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. Alrighty? Alrighty. That's what you're playing with, AK? Okay, yeah. I mean, it's holding. It doesn't have the volume, but it's holding. So, yeah. He's holding the trend. So it just needs some hot rates monies. That's what it needs. Yeah, exactly, Grim. Yeah, there it is. Hot rates monies to the rescue. Of course. Who just bought this thing? Raise your hand up. Raise your hand if you just bought this. Again, really good base, right? 200 EMA, demand zone, 60 cents, few good things, pop, right? Resistance, right at 66 to 67. Alrighty, so 67 resistance. So just be careful with that. It's a really tight range, unfortunately, right? Unfortunately, the resistance is right there. So, but if the volume keeps coming in, maybe it's gonna cook, right? Go. So 67 resistance. AMPG is trying to curl up that 150, so hopefully it stays above it. LDTC is on halted, guys, and it's pushing for brand new highs of the day, so that looks really good. Right? So you can think of like 250 as a psychological level, maybe. Alrighty, so 250. 250. I think said, excuse me. 66 Luna, there you go, right? Not bad. Not bad at all. Nice little scalp piece. Not bad at all. Two. Just looking to see if there's anything else. Yeah, those Google. We should have looked for some Googles. Yeah, so 606.50 ish Troy. There goes 259, guys, on LDTC. If you're holding LDTC, type in yes in the chat. If you're holding LDTC, type in yes in the chat. Again, you see what's happened with ASST, right? It's basically just done like the whole rangy thing, right? So from support to resistance and back down. So sometimes, guys, when you see monies, when you see resistance, just take the monies, right? Because you never know. When there's resistance, sometimes just take it. 185 puts, 1220. Okay, I'll take a look. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you missed it already, right? It broke out at 195 and then, it dipped and then curled, right? This would have been a beautiful entry for you, right? Curl or the breakout and gone, right? So missed. Jordan, love it. Well done. Congratulations. So cents is still failing at 37 cents, Jeff, right? So still resistance, nothing's changed. ASST is still holding 60 cents. Nothing's changed, right? So and then looks like we're still dipping here, maybe again closer to 115 for LASE. So watch 115-ish, see if we can stay above that. Alrighty, and then let me take a look at Gooks on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, Google does look very nice on a smaller time frame. I definitely missed those calls. Dang it. A potential double top? No. Straight fire, straight breakout, straight all-time highs. That would definitely be a nice gamble, but it's straight fire. Google is hitting all-time highs. Yeah, that thing said bye bye, right? That thing broke above all-time highs right there at 190 basically, and it just hasn't looked back since. So yeah, these would definitely be like gamble puts and hopeful that it dips. Yeah, because that thing broke out like a while ago. Right? Because the last all-time high on this thing was yesterday, right? Yeah. So like at 188-ish, right? So as soon as that thing broke above 188 this morning, yeah, it was gone. It was just sitting in no man's land at that point. No man's land. You got out at 250. Well done, Jordan. Very nice. Yeah, no, dang it. Dang, 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 dang. Yeah, definitely missed some Google puts here, Google calls here. Sensonic, yeah, I played Sensonic like 2 years ago, and that stock was an absolute garbage stock. Um, but maybe they pivoted though. Probably have. The S&P is pushing back up because again the trend is up, right? When the trend is up, even if you mess up, sometimes you get saved. Bitcoin is hitting new highs of the day, going for 100K, right? So everything is looking hot, 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 hot. Um, hot, 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 hot. 135. Yeah, if it breaks above 115, then yeah, 135. If it breaks below 115, then you're looking for like one yeah. So right in between that 140 to 135 range. If it breaks below 150 already. Easy. Let me take a look. You're asking for Rhyme. Oh, Rhyme. You got in at 9 cents. So you're right in that position again. The all-time low for this thing is 855. Honestly, there's not a whole lot that I can tell you other than don't let that thing go below 855 already. That's the all-time low. Not a bad gamble at all, but this is the lowest it's been. In the last 2 weeks, it's been holding 85, 85, 85, 85, right? So just make sure that it stays above it, right? Put a stop loss right below. Make sure that it doesn't get delisted. As soon as I said SPY was, SPY was like, nope, I'm at resistance. And then it comes back down because it didn't quite break out. Jacks, there was no breakout there. Ready? So, anyways, anyways, double bottom. I don't think I'd call that a double bottom yet. Not yet. Cents is still peaking at 37 cents, right? So still resistance. Until that thing can break about 37 cents and close about 37 cents, it's not quite ready. Troy, I know. ASST is still holding 60 cents. AMPG is still holding $1.50. And then LDTC is going back for that 250. $2.50. Uh, love it. Uh, oh, GXAI. Wasn't, no, mine is a different stock. Mind medicine was, good. There goes new highs. Oh, retesting the highs there, Jordan. Good job, though. Good job. Did you make monies going long or going short, Jacks? Asking for a friend. Asking for a friend. AMPG really looks like it's consolidating there, but the volume isn't quite there yet, So we'll see. Um, I'm just saying, Jax, just saying. Play the trend, please. ASST is still holding 60 cents, guys. We keep saying that, right? And then LASE, that was LASE got slapped. So this is what we were trying to say, right? AK, right? Yeah. So no, it's not a double bottom unless it consolidates, please, right? So we might look at this, guys, and say, hey, like the last time we were at $1, right? Oh my goodness, we bounced. Like we went up 30% the last time we were at $1. Oh my God. Does that mean I should buy back at $1? Yeah, I should, right? No, don't do that, right? So you never buy something at support unless it consolidates. Alrighty. So just like on the left hand side here, we can look at this and say, oh, look at this, right? We bounce right there. So when we get there, like in the middle here, right there, I should jump in, right? No, wait for consolidation. Pop, right? If it's not consolidating, like if you're getting a whole bunch of selling pressure come in, it doesn't matter if you have support. Yeah, I did. Good. That's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, unless you see that it's consolidating somewhere, don't do it. Alrighty, let it consolidate, and then you make your decision. Cool, cool. Always wait for support. And then we're double topping like right below 270 on LDTC. So that thing is going to need to break above 1950. Stopping, I think. Thanks for the mental slaps. You're welcome, Jax. Teamwork. Well done. We are, yeah. So next time I'm doing something silly, you can slap me too, Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, 1930. You should be very like that's amazing. 1930 for the day, right? Cook. Well done. Well done. Double bottom, but would like to see some consolidation, Bill. Yeah, absolutely. Agreed. Uh Small gain. Good job, Luna. Good job, right? That's one of the best qualities is understanding that like something doesn't smell right and jumping out. Like if you're in a trade and you're like, this doesn't look right. Let me just get the hell out of there, right? So, uh, yeah, yeah. Whew. Dang Googles, virus, Googles. We missed it. Okay, let's see if there's anything else here that we like though. Grim, are you sleeping yet? La 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 la. No, there's nothing that stands out yet other than the names we've talked about. So yeah, he did. Okay, you did, Jericho. Good job though. Good job. Yeah, that was a good breakout. Yeah, that's the thing, right? Like when you're looking at a stock, especially a large cap, when it's breaking above all-time highs, that thing just wants to cook. Especially when the market is trending up. Yeah, it just wants to cook. An even number. uh, you're not the only one. There goes the S&P hitting new highs of the day, guys, right? The trend is clearly up today. So we dip and then we go right back up. AMPG, look at that, right? That 150 was a nice little spot, right? So 150, 150, 150. Close, stay above it, and then go back up. Rhyme is holding, right? Rhyme is trying to go there for you easy. So as long as Rhyme stays above 855, you're fine, right? So look at that beautiful demand zone. This looks like a Raven Grim play and a Yi play, right? So again, nice little gamble at the bottom there. So rhymy. Rhymy. Okay. And then cents is coming back down, Jeff, right? So 37 cents back to 34. Did you take profits, Jeff? Did you take profits? I hope you did. Yeah. All time highs again. Dan, crazy, huh? Madness. Is Amazon going to cook now too, Virus? Jericho? Amazon calls? Yeah, there's a lot of resistance here for LDTC at $2.70 for a second, and it popped. Well, AK, it was sitting at that level for a long time. It was sitting there for a long time, and now it has a bit of resistance at 165. Mm, yeah, yeah, yeah. Is yeah. That doesn't fit the strategy, Luna. So took and ran because it you felt good virus. Yeah. Amazon pop. Yeah. Yep. 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 Amazon definitely. Yeah. Amazon definitely vibes. Yeah. Jericho. I mean, yeah. Some 232 calls maybe for you and virus on Google. No, that's okay. That's okay. You made monies on Google though, so that's fine. Ooh, Rhyme is looking good, isn't it? Dang, Rhyme is looking okay. But promising for yeah. I mean, again, as like I said earlier, right? As long as Rhyme stays above 855, right? I don't mind as long as it stays above 855. If it goes below that, it's garbage. It's going to 5 cents. Uh, okay, I see. I see. Perfect. Easy, become a member. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty, become a member. Cheddar, Ayo, good morning. Good morning. Ooh, look at the S&P go. Look at Bitcoin almost at 100K again, guys. Look at Spy Cook. Look at Spy Cook, guys. Look at its go. Uh, nope, that's not what I want. Okay, perfect. Good morning, Wolf. Ayo. The trend is your what? The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. Oh wow, dang. Interesting. Okay. Hmm. Uh, very interesting. The markets are definitely coming back for revenge today. Revenge. Revenge. Bitcoin is at 100K again, guys. Look at that. That's a beautiful number. Look at that. Take a screenshot, guys. Take a screenshot. Oh, it's back. Take a screenshot. And yeah, there it goes. 9999999999999. Looks beautiful. And then back to 100K. So that looks good. AMPG looks good, right? So again, $1.50 back to $1.70. So that looks nice. Looks very, very nice. Yeah. You took a 10% gain in TGT. Jericho, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Well done. Well done. Uh, that's funny. Is that how he sounds? I have no idea. I have no idea. So Palantir, AMD, INTC long calls, and guess what? They're all red on a green day. Yeah, I'm surprised AMD is red. Palantir, I can understand why. INTC has just been a garbage company or just garbage performance, right? So that negativity is still all over the company, you know. But AMD should be bouncing. Palantir, yeah. Oh, the 99. Oh, like the German. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. I see. I see. For June? Okay, yeah, you have a lot of time. At that point, the company should have turned it around or gone to the abyss. Oh, I see, Bill. Yeah. So there goes $1.80, guys. If you bought the dip on AMPG, congratulations. Ready? So the last time we pushed, anytime we got close to $1.90, there was a sell-off. So there it goes, 190 coming again. Beautiful. That 150 was nice, especially since it consolidated, right? So again, guys, that is one of the tricks, right? Wait for consolidation. If you're not sure what to do, wait for consolidation, right? If you're like, is 150 gonna hold, guys? Is it gonna hold? Wait for 150. Let it consolidate, right? So at least if you're wrong, you can still cut the position with a stop loss below, right? Because a lot of people will tell me like, "Hey Blaze, I was trying to buy the double bottom, but then before I set a stop loss, it broke below, right? Before I could set a stop loss, it was already breaking below." I'm like, "Okay, there's a that's not the stock's fault, right? That's a mistake that we all make, but that's a mistake you made, right? By not letting it consolidate, by trying to FOMO too quickly, right? You're like, oh my goodness, oh my god, there was a double bottom at 160, but like I wanted to set a stop loss at 154, but like, oh my god, before I set the stop loss, like the candle went all the way to the abyss, and then I'm like, okay, did you let it like consolidate maybe? Like, oh my god, nobody has time for that. I wanted to make monies. Anyways, I'm kidding. Not kidding. So, um, yeah, next time just let it relax a little bit, yeah. Bill, yes, of course. Greg, yeah. I'll take a look. Zan, what's your position in MGGI? Let me take a look. So AI. Yeah. Yeah, if you're asking a question, guys, just let me know. Give me as much detail as possible so I know if you're looking for a position, if you're in a position. Otherwise, I just tend to not look. Um, I see what you're looking at. I see what you're looking at. I don't mind it at all, Bill. Can you look at you're not in it? Just had an alert. Yeah. The closer you are to 43 cents, the better. I don't mind it. Yeah. I don't mind at all. If it can stay, especially like between 43 and 42 cents, and then just set a stop loss right below that. I don't mind. The other thing you could do though is you can look at this time frame and you see the support, and then look at the 15-minute time frame and then wait for the curl because it's not curling yet, right? So on this time frame, it's not quite curling yet. So or the 5-minute, right? Watch a 5-minute time frame and wait for that curl, right? You're like, okay, I'm waiting for it to curl. I'm waiting, right? Wait for some type of like upward momentum or something on this thing, and then go from there. Alrighty. And then the next one was you're in at 115 MIGI. Okay, 115. So you're green in that position, and the chart looks very nice, and your entry is also very good. So as long as it stays above $1.10, you're fine, right? There's a nice little demand zone at like above 105, so your entry is not too far away from the bottom. Paul, ayo, ayo. You did, Veronica. You sold at 39 and it's at 6 now. Good job. Well done. And selling covered calls, I mean, since not really one, yeah. Um, yeah, virus, that's going to be tough though, because no one is buying those calls. That's going to be the tough part. Yeah, that's going to be the tough part. What then? SXTP. Okay. Looks like DTC is trying to curl here, but that supply zone, my goodness. ASST is still holding 60 cents. That's crazy. It's going back and forth, back and forth. Sonic is going back to 37 cents, so maybe this time it's gonna break it. Bitcoin is above 100K, guys, pushing for highs of the day, so that looks nice, right? And then the S&P with a bit of a dip ski there, but yeah. Cents 37. You made $300. Let's go, Raven. Yeah, for King. Yeah, well done. Well done, well done. Yeah, the only problem though, Virus, is like again with the covered calls, like people are gonna pay you monies when those things are pumping, right? Covered calls, so private or gets bought out in 2025. Yogi, okay, yeah, yeah, no, INTC is not a garbage company, right? The more discounts it gets, the like it's one of those things that it's in the right space. Um, it's in the right space, so the company is not about to become an AMC. They're gonna struggle, and someone's gonna say thanks, bye. So yeah. How did you type in those tickets, those symbols, Virus? Can you tell me some resistance levels, Christian? You're in at 57 cents. Absolutely. So DEVS, you got in at 57 cents. So you're green in that position, which is good. La, 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 la. 68 random stuff, 1100 shares at 68 cents. Oof, okay. So I like your entry on this one, by the way. Christian, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. This is the daily, and it has like a really nice bottom there. Like you bought 2 cents from the all-time low, so that's really good. So congratulations, well done. Your next few levels are going to be very random because again, it's a stock that's sold off and it's just sitting at the bottom, right? So your next few levels, again, it looks good, right? Your next level, if you can look to the left hand side, there was the level that it failed at yesterday in pre-market. So this level right there, that's your next level at 65 cents, right? And if you can clear that level, you're looking for 75 cents, which is this level from the last pre-market. So it's almost like every like uh, so 65 and then 75. Those are your next two levels already. Bitcoin is cooking. Oof. That thing said, hey, I hope you bought the dipskis because I'm going back up. My guess is 103 and a year. Yeah. And it looks good. So if you bought the dip on Bitcoin, you're very happy. Very, very happy. Interesting. Spice still needs to give us 1% today, though. Is it a good time to buy LDTC? Become a goat member, and so we can have some one-on-one sessions already. Become a goat. Again, if you're not a goat member and you're like, hey, where do I buy? Where do I buy? Become a goat member. Click the link at the bottom of the chat. Alrighty. Yeah. It's a good shout, Raven. John. XRP is pumping too. Send it. Looking good, BTC. Yeah, that 37 is still resistance, right? For Sensonic here. So Sensonic. Do we see anything else that we like? No, not yet. Zhang. You said something like Zhang yesterday, Jean. But anyways, uh, yeah. No, I only need to remember if he becomes a member. Yeah, become a member, and then other than that, we might make up names for you. Nice to meet you too. Yeah. Bill, he is. He is. Raven is the bottom feeding goat. Bottom feeding goat. right? What is that? Oh, yes. Okay. Let's go. I my name is Blaze, and I approve that message. Uh, 22%, 77%. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Lyris, yeah. Raven, sounds good. Q, I know, right? I know. Yeah, don't at least smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Let's get to 100 likes already. At least smash a like if you haven't. Let's go. Let's go. Smash a like if you haven't already. Uh, hey, okay. I see. What if I did that? Nope, don't really want that. Don't really want that. No, YouTube was just testing out some other rubbish, you know. I feel like Hot Trades is like the guinea pig for like YouTube stuff, you know. Anyways, moving on. If Grim gives the markets an ultimatum, you know. Maya is hooked on venison. Love it. Yeah, love it, love it. It wants to play the thrust song. Okay, let me pull it up here. Ooh, Sensonic is hitting new highs there finally for you guys. Raven and Jeff, where's Jeff? Oh, come on, Troy, you weren't supposed to see that. I Unbelievable. Stop judging. No judging. SXTP. No judging, please. Yeah. I think needs to break above like 240, 245, and then cook. Yeah. I'll come back to this. Let me look at Apple. Apples. Ooh. Like 250 virus? Yeah, I think so. Especially since it's stalling at that price already. 249.99. Seems like a Walmart price, you know? Yeah. Walmart discounts. Yeah, virus. And then you at that point you're only risking 50 cents really, you know? Only risking. Let's see. Okay, what if we close that? Oh. Okay. Yeah, very strong resistance. Yeah. So 245's virus. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to T-Rex a little bit already. So maybe not a bad gamble at all. Seems like a long-term play. Did it rise? Is it still rising? Yeah. Um, oh, it's at 49 cents now. Oof, beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oof. Yeah, not bad, right? So this is BMNR, guys. This is the CEO that was on, right? When he was on, again, not a whole lot of volume, right? But when he was on, I think the stock was at 30 cents or so, right? So it's been slowly creeping up, which isn't bad. So I'm sure there's some resistance at 50 cents, right? Again, a few days ago, the company reported that they reported, 400% increase in revenue, right? So we like that. Again, if it wasn't a stock that was on the OTC, right? This thing would have cooked hard. So yeah, as long as Bitcoin keeps going, right? It's a Bitcoin miner, so it's one of the cheapest Bitcoin miners that actually makes monies too. So, well, I mean, revenue growth. So, yeah, something to again story to keep watching, right? I'm sure the CEO is going to keep coming on. Yeah, there's a big spread. Yeah, you might have missed it, right? So now it's a bit of a difficult play with that spread closer to the top, right, Alan? So I'd be careful. I'd be careful. Ready? Let's go back to LDTC here. It looks like it's consolidating though, off 220 there for you, Grim, right? 220. And then look at this, right? So LASC has been holding support at $1 now, right? Yeah, LDTC, yeah, it's trying to break the trend at least. Not on Alan. Yeah, I agree. I agree. You're better off putting a bid, right? So and then going from there, not just buying the top of a big spread because then you just get yourself in trouble. There goes AMPG, guys, still looking beautiful as ever, right? So that thing breaks above 190 and then breaks 196. Ooh, we're thrusting. We're thrusting again, guys. Thrusting again. Don't forget to smash a like. Ooh, okay, there we go. A goal was created. So there's a goal in the chat, guys. There's the super chat goal. We're gonna thrust if we hit that goal. So hit the goal. Make it trend. Hit the goal. You took a position at 607, Bill. Okay. Do you need me to take a look? No, right? Okay, perfect. Good. Good. Anyways, here goes push towards 190. Oh wow, look at BMNR, guys. That thing just popped again. Dang. That's why that spread is like that actually. Send it to $1. Send it to $1. $1. Uh, funny. Funny, funny. Back. Ooh, wee. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. There you go. So we just hit brand new highs of the day on this one. So again, if you bought the dip close to $1.50, you're happy, right? If you're still holding an AMPG, or if you bought the dip, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes if you're still holding AMPG. Type in yes if you're still holding AMPG. Yes, Grim. I knew it. I knew it, King. I knew it. I knew it. Let's see. Uh, na 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 na. Uh, 211. Let's go. And what? And thrust. To show higher consolidation before it pump. Become a goat. Let's go. A member grim. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Again, you had that support at 150. You had a bit of a curl as well at 166, 170, and then boom skis. And what? And thrust. Beautiful. That thing is like, you know what, guys? You know what? At this point, just let me cook. Just let me cook, you know? Just let me cook. Uh, just let me cook. There goes. There we go. Just let me cook. Looks like there's some resistance at 140. $1.40. $1.40. There we go. 235 King. Give me a high five. Well done. Yeah, 240 Grim. Yeah. You grab 60 shares at 210. Okay. Don't forget to pay yourself on the way up, please. Alrighty. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Again, if you're not a member yet, guys, we were getting into this thing this morning at $1.10 ish, right? We were getting into AMPG at $1.10. Everybody was spamming this in Discord. This was a teamwork, right? Everybody was like, "Oh my goodness, I want it. I want it. No, you want it. Oh no, you want it. Oh my god." But like, why? Because anyways, so again, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Stop missing out. Ready? If you're not a legend member, upgrade because you're gonna miss out. You know, especially if we start slacking in 2025. Then we're gonna be slacking. And anyways, there's virus. Oh my goodness, virus! What is virus doing? Virus is single-handedly creating the thrust, guys. Single-handedly creating the thrust. Let's go, Tesh. Let's go. What's the goal again? Let me see. So the goal is 10 super chats and then also the 6 more super chats and then we thrust. And what? And thrust. Let's go, Jericho. Thank you for the super chat. And what? And thrust. Uh okay, perfect. The, okay, there we go. TradingView. Okay. Oh, I see. There's a goal. Let's go. Dan, please prefer to place as tiny. He loves it. No, he's not. He's lying to you guys. But I do like the super chat though. I do love the super chat, not the other one. Let's go, Dan. Thank you for the super chat. Be like Jericho. Thank you, Virus. Grim. Monies. William. I need a good Wednesday thrust, fam. Let's go. Let's go. Virus. Let's go, William. Thank you. Uh, oh, did we make the goal? Let's go. We made the goal, guys. We made the goal. We made the goal. And Jericho with one more. I think because of Jericho. Yeah. Yeah. Let me go find the thrust speeds then. Dang virus. That Apple said excuse me. Said excuse me. Play the damn song. Okay, find it. The song is coming. It's coming. It's coming. And what? And thrust. Alrighty, party people. I don't even need to remind you, like as soon as you hear the thrust beats, your body starts to twitch because your body at this point knows what's coming, doesn't it? Come on, get up and stand up, please. Get up and stand up and start moving your hips, Start rotating your hips from left to the right, from left to right, from left to right. And come on, you can feel the beat coming. You can feel the thrust coming. When I say and what, you say and thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. If you're new to the channel and you're feeling a bit shy, I want to see you put your hands up to the sky. Alrighty? Put those hands up into the sky. I want to see them go up and down. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Come on now. To the left, to the right, when Lambo, to the window, to the wall, screw, to the sun, at night, get naked, make monies, and what? Come on, go, 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 go. Go. If you're feeling wild, what I'm gonna need from you is to get on the floor, please. One hand on the ground, the other hand behind your hip. Let those hips work. Let those hips work. And what? And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Come on. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Come on. Let the sweat drip. 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 And thrust. Let's go. Dang, we missed the thrust beats, guys. We missed the thrust beats. Why do we not thrust more often? I don't know. Let's pretend anyways. There we go, guys. Okay. I'm out of baby oil. Oh, you cannot dance. Kimbella? And I can thrust though. You know? Uh other people in the store are calling the cops. It's okay. When the cops show up, say, come on, join me. Come on. Anyways. Yeah, then after this time, I finally find that song. You did, Grim? Yeah, it's called Nightfall. You know how like Spotify will give you your watch your playlist for the year. Like, okay, over the year, this was your favorite playlist. Oh, this was like your favorite, your favorite songs. You know what was number one? Nightfall was number one. All of 2024, that was my number one song. Yeah. Okay, so a bit of a dipski here on AMPG, but just probably a retest of that $2 ish range, right? So let's see if we can consolidate there. The S&P is still kind of playing, doing what it's doing. Bitcoin is retesting 100K, and then it looks like Apple pushed to 250 above and then came back down. Virus. So LDTC, meh, right? Too much supply. Too much supply. Sensonic 37 is still a problem. So back to AMPG it is. Let's go, Grim. Love it. I don't think it is. Troy, I don't think it is. No, I don't think it is. No, it's just no, it's not. It is not. Yeah, someone needs to upload it. VRAR with a bit of a push there, huh? Interesting. VRAR. Okay, is there anything else that we like yet, Grim? No, nothing yet, right? Nothing yet. Still AMPG. And then maybe the other, like, signal ones, but 207? Okay. Troy, yes, it is. It is. You might have to scroll up a bit in Hangout General or something like that, but it is. If not, I can just try and upload it later. Later. Okay, perfect. Oh yeah, you can search it probably. Yeah, yeah, nothing yet, Grim. It was a pretty slow pre-market, so it's nice though that something else showed up. To save the day. Are you at even yet, Grim? Even like the number you see, and you want more? There goes the curl of $2 here for AMPG. There goes the curl. ASST. Yeah, ASST just keeps playing with 60 cents, doesn't it? Over and over and over. Yeah. Did you hit the daily goal though, Grim? Oh, unbelievable. Not a big deal, but the market is so poop. Yeah, exactly. You hit the daily goal though, right? So yeah. Well, at least you're close. So yeah. So whenever you hit the daily goal, that's the base case. That's always a good day. Always a good day. You're $300 off. So basically hit the goal. Not accepted due to liquid volume, AMPG. That's interesting because that thing should have a lot of volume. I see what you're looking for. Yeah, that would have been good, right? So I don't know why, but yeah. Zhang, yes. The answer is yes. Just double topped. Vira. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. There you go. Yesterday's high. Yeah. Oh, okay. Sounds good. Yeah. Tesla new highs. Oof, what an absolute beauty. What a beauty. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, Tesla is a gem. An absolute gem. There you go. Perfect. I know, right? Trashla. Tesla is not Trashla anymore. Whereas, do you have shares for Tesla? Like, yeah. Do you have like shares as a long term play, like in your account? You definitely should have virus. When it was at 250. Yeah, probably. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, D. Woof. Well done. Well done. A lot of members are doing really well. I love the progress. Love it, love it, love it. Like I'm seeing people, like again, so like one of the members has been sending me an update, guys, on how they're doing. Keep in mind this person has been a member for, I don't know, 3 years now, right? So they've definitely gone through the process. Um, yeah. Um, right. So it took them a while, right? So over the last 2 years or so, they've talked about how, and they took a break as well, right? They're like, you know what, I'm just not getting it, right? So forever, right? And it's been a bit of a mental struggle, right? And now, they came back and, changed the strategy, and they've been sending me updates, like, day to day how they're doing. And the you know and they've consistently been doing well over the last like month now. So, which is amazing. So I'm trying to go back and remember the daily goal, but I don't know what the daily goal is. But you can see how they're making progress like every single day. So you can tell something is clicked, right? Like $100 today, $200 tomorrow, $500. The last 2 days, it's been $1,000 and $1,600, right? So something is clearly clicked, right? To be making consistent monies, which is amazing, right? So again, that just goes to show you, like, sometimes you just have to put in the work and not give up, right? And then something clicks, so 200 $200 daily goal, right, to making $1,000 a day, right, $1,600 a day is beautiful, right? Yeah, like it's amazing. So yep, yep. That would have been a nice scalp there, Luna, right? That would have been a very nice scalp. Let virus, okay, that make honestly, that makes me happy. You know, just because again, like the level of conviction, right? So like even though we joke around and like trash it, um, is it's still like, but like your level of conviction, that should be like a staple, like in your accounts for sure. VRA is hitting. You took it at a dollar. OPTX. OPTX. Let's see. $1. Yeah, there's definitely some volume coming in there, Grim. Some volume. Average volume hit 6 million float. Daily chart looks like coming off the bottom. Cool. So, and then 110 for your next resistance there. So let's see if it breaks out. See, I don't know if this is a compliment though or not a compliment. I don't know. Uh, la, 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 la. Yeah, Zhang, that's perfect. That's all you need. I don't know. That's a compliment or not a compliment. Uh, yeah. Let's go. See, D says part of what happened is I upgraded to legend. The name makes me feel like I have to succeed. Yeah, yeah. See, you see what happens when you upgrade to legend, guys? You feel like you're a legend. You just feel like vibes. 410 calls to 137%. They expire on the 20th. Was going to get you. Yeah, the 20th. Yeah, so in 10 days. Yeah, you had to. Bought them for 760. Sold for $1,800. Let's go, Dan. Let's go. Read that again, Tesh. Whatever you want to be, Troy. I know. I know. I know. There you go. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, you're missing out. Alrighty, especially as we go into the brand new year. Alrighty, so click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us. Alrighty, click the link at the bottom of the chat and come join us. Speaking of which, I think there's a link that expires this Friday. Actually, yeah. So there was a member asking for. So I think we did a discount on the lifetime gold membership, right? And I think that expires on Friday. Actually, I think. Let me check. Yeah. Speaking of memberships, actually, yeah. So it expires on Friday. So if you want to become a lifetime member, click the link at the bottom of the chat there, and then type in HTX. Uh, type in HTX 15. That gives you a 15% discount. I don't know if we're gonna do any more of those because I think that one expires on Friday, and then I think that's it. Alrighty. So again, that's the link at the bottom of the chat. This link. So click the link if you're interested. If you were asking for a lifetime gold membership, click that link at the bottom and then type in HTX 15. That gives you a 15% discount. Alrighty. Cool. Perfect. Unusual volume for GME. Okay. AMPG, are we cooking again, guys? Yeah, look at this beauty. Luna, that was a beautiful scalp for you. Beautiful, right? Kimbella, congratulations on that entry, by the way. Congratulations. There's still a double top at like 240. $2.40. For AMD, they don't, AMD and like INTC, like one of those names has to, turn some stuff around, Turn some stuff around. LiDAR. Ready? So again. Yeah. King, did you hit your daily goal already or what? An AMPG? Yeah, no, I mean, you really shouldn't be, right? It's double topping already anyways. So just give it a second there. Yeah, SPY, 606.50. Yeah. And that was the resistance it was stalling at earlier anyways, Troy, right? So you hit $4,000 on AMPG. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at that. $4,000 for King. Come on, King. Give me a high five. Well done. Oof. I feel like you needed that though, King. I feel like you needed to cook. You needed to have a cooking day. So congratulations. Well done. Well done. Perfect. NFL approves sale of minority stake in Philly for $8.3 million. Dang, big monies. Big monies. Here we go. No. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so we need to close above 240 if it wants to cook even more. Alrighty. Yeah. So $1.20 all the way to $1.60 and then held through the dips and sold at 235. Okay, perfect, beautiful. Yeah, that was a good scalp. Very good scalpy. Into the 155. No, that's okay though. No regrets. Like you made $4,000, right? A lot of people go to work and not make that in a month, right? You made that in the morning, so yeah. So don't worry about it at all. Don't you worry. Okay, there we go again. Yeah, OPTX looks interesting there. The volume is slowly creeping in, and it's a pretty nice float, right? So Grim, yeah. If that thing can give a breakout there, yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice. Give me a dip so I can join Grim. Grim's like, nope, nope. Uh, mm, uh, and oh, you did. uh, let's see. Uh, okay, there we go. 102. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, let's see what it does. AMPG is double topped at 240 and it's selling off again to $2. So that's not a big surprise, guys, already. Not a big surprise. So it's a double top. Don't be buying at double tops, please. Virus, why Friday though? Why is it Friday? Perfect. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys. All you do, Grim. You should go to bed in the next hour or so. At lunchtime, it's gonna slow down. In the next 30 minutes, you should go to bed, get some sleep, and then come back. Come back for power hour or like after the market closes, or just stay in bed till tomorrow. You hit the daily goal. There's no need for you to be awake. Otherwise, it's only a matter of time before the market puts you to sleep with anger. Uh, Great news had a ripple and then it pumped. Yeah, Raven. Absolutely. AS, look at ASST, guys. That 60 cents has been holding the entire time, right? Natural remedies. Look at that. Is anybody in ASST at 60 cents, guys? Anybody? Anybody? Wow, beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. Like this thing is holding 60 cents the entire morning. So there goes brand new highs of the day. Beautiful. 71 is what you got in at. Like you must have promoted in pre-market then. 68. Okay, you guys all kind of FOMO. You guys all said, "Ooh, I want to FOMO. I feel like FOMOing. FOMO, 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 FOMO." They have big TikTok news. No, ignore that news, please. The news doesn't matter. Just play the stock and move on. Right? Yeah, ignore the news, please. There's a stock that had news yesterday that we don't care about today. There's a stock that had news on Monday that everybody was like, "Oh my goodness, this news is the best." And here we are today with a brand new stock with brand new news, right? Just play the stock and move on. Don't diamond hand it, please. Jericho, I know. Yep. I'm not surprised, especially on like the good days for you and Grim Jericho. It's hard. Hidden seller. Yeah, I mean the view up is right at 70 cents, so it's just resistance, right? It's just resistance, but that was a pretty good bottom. So good resistance there. OPTX, that thing needs to dip more, Grim, like 90 cents, like just one candle to 90 cents. So then we could jump in and then OPTX cook, cook, cook. Not asking for too much, right? The S&P is bouncing off that double bottom. So that looks good. Troy, Bitcoin is going back to the high, so that looks good, right? BMNR is still, playing games back and forth, right? So that looks good. LDTC is just consolidating above $2. So let's see if it stays above it. Sensonic, no surprises there. It did, Grim. It did. It really did. You wanna, yeah, exactly. It would be nice if that thing dipped. You know. Well done. Abdu is just cooking, guys, just cooking, just cooking. Cooking. Yeah, one fat red candle is all we need. Just dip it close to the retest of the 200. Like sitting in that supply zone is way too close. At this point, you're better off just waiting for the breakout and FOMO, than just jumping in there. Um, epic red candle, Troy. Yeah, probably. Alrighty, Jericho. Yeah, you've hit your daily goal already, right? So I'll call it a night. Stay green, not greedy, everyone, and bless you all. Jericho, have a wonderful night already. Get some rest and stay blessed. And we'll chat tomorrow when you wake up. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Perfect. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, ASST hit that resistance and got slapped. right? So yeah, for those of you guys that FOMO, that might have been your saving grace, right? Sell it at resistance, sell at resistance, maybe come back in cheaper, right? So 70 cents, below 70 cents, clear resistance. And if it ever breaks below 60 cents, troubles. Troubles for the biscuits. Yeah. Troy? Yeah. What's AMPG doing? Still holding $2, guys? Yes. 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 So ring. Oh, really? Trump is scheduled to ring the New York Stock Exchange opening bell on Thursday? Oh, wow. Damn. That is cool. DJT. Wow, wow, wow. Thursday. That's tomorrow, isn't it? So yeah, no wonder the stock is slowly pushing there. Huh, interesting. Troy, yeah, that is very cool though. Very very cool. Very cool. Let's go, Pawn. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You're watching Bitcoin, aren't you? You're watching Bitcoin bounce back to the back above 100K. Yeah. So let's see if we can get a higher high at this point, Troy. Yeah, we need to get above that 607, 607.10 and stay above it. Look at ASST, guys, all the way back down, right? So again, you see resistance, you take monies. Tesh, this is like the third time you're gonna go eat now, isn't it? The third time now, Tesh. Unbelievable. A boring day? He? No, I don't know. I think because you got busy. Today's been I think also because you woke up early in pre-market, but today's been fire. I think I don't know. Grim already have a wonderful rest. You need rest. Don't you come back. Just go and don't come back, please. Don't come back for the next. At least sleep for 3 hours. If anything, sleep for 8 hours and then come back in after hours or something. Much love, Grim. Get some rest. Put on some SA beats by the bed while you sleep. So you can thrust in your sleep. I slept for 27 minutes. Yeah, yeah. No, get some rest. It's you need it. Catch you later. Catch you later. La, 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 la. Let's see. Who do I have for one-on-ones today, guys? Who do I have? Who do I have? Who do I have? Okay. Perfect. La, la, la. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Alan. Sounds good. Sounds good. Come on, Spy. Cook, cook, cook. 1% day today for Spy or Spy Socks. 1% okay. Yeah. I think who else? Yeah, so it's Alan and then there's other. Yes. Okay. Oh, yeah, AJ is today as well. Okay, perfect. OPTX. Oh, yeah, OPTX actually dipped to $1. Yeah, that thing needs to dip even more. Even more. Perfect. So you bought at $2? Yeah, it's trying to. Yeah, between like 2 and 195. Okay. So again, just make sure you don't risk too much of those gains because that's a pretty good day, right? So there you go. Uh, okay, sounds good. Yeah, just make sure it stays above that support there, please, and then you're fine. DJT still looks okay. This one looks a bit weak now. Sensonic again. I hope you guys took some gains on that for now. Hopefully, it stays above like 33. As soon as we say that, it pops. But anyways, and then yeah, so AMPG needs to bounce. Alrighty. So there goes 206. 206. 207. Yeah, so it's going to need to close above the coronal here if it wants to keep cooking. So again, nice little consolidation though, right, King? So good job. 36.50 stopped. Raven, beautiful. Love it. Yeah, the spread on this is a bit crazy on AMPG, so that thing needs to pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Hmm. Interesting. What time is it? I think we have like 10 more minutes, 15 minutes, guys. Then I go do some one-on-ones. Some one-on-ones. Some one-on-ones. Again, yeah, don't forget. So that's the link for the lifetime membership. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the link for the lifetime membership at the bottom for whoever was asking, alrighty? So that's the link. And then you just have to put in code HTX15. Again, that expires in on Friday, alrighty? And then that's done skis. So then if you need the lifetime stuff, then you just have to whatever it's at, you know. ADCT. Let's go, Luna. Absolutely. Absolutely. Come on, Spy. Give us 1%. Bitcoin is going. Bitcoin is at the highs of the day, guys. Almost back to 101. If you bought the bid on Bitcoin, if you bought the dip on Bitcoin, type in yes in the chat. I was watching this video, Luna, and it was I listen to a lot of stuff while I do other stuff, you know, other stuff, and or like I scroll, not intentionally looking for stock market stuff because I could care less. I don't like talking about stocks all day, and then watching like stock market reels, you know. But sometimes they show up, and it was just this old dude talking about. He said if he had to mentor somebody and he could get that person to break even for a year, he knows that person's gonna succeed. No, not lose, just break even, not make gains. Break even for a year, like in and out, in and out, in and out. Then you learn something. Um, yeah, a 14K. Oof, beautiful, beautiful. Uh, yes, and a few more. Doge XYO. Yeah, love it, love it, love it. Yeah, Bitcoin is at 101, guys. Oof. Is Bitcoin a scam, guys? uh, no. That that so we were having a conversation yesterday, right? The reason why we were having this conversation is because Michael Saylor was found guilty of like fraud or something in 2002. And then we started joking around, you know. Lorena says yes, just a scam. I like it. Exactly. um, Ooh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Christian made $300. $300 for Christian. Ooh, wee. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Well done, Christian. Yeah, there you go. So, monies, monies, monies. Oh, why did it do that? Okay, perfect. Virus already sounds good. Much love, Virus. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and we'll chat later. The file was dropped. I hate when my stuff isn't working. Uh-oh. Why is it doing that? What's going on? There you go. My stream wasn't working. Okay, there we go. Anyways, moving on. Yeah, Christian. Yeah, 37.50. Love it. So there you go. Again, a little gem of a company, right? Only thing is that OTC. So otherwise this thing would have cooked. Bitcoin is looking nice. The S&P just hit new highs of the day, guys. 1% or the S&P stocks. So Samuel, OPTX. Yeah, OPTX is coming back. I think we were just greedy looking for a lot more. Right? Yeah, OPTX. So I think we just wanted that thing to dip too far, but it looks good. So Christian says, invest in yourself and become a legend or a gold member. I love being in this group. Let's go, Christian. Let's go. Yeah, guys. Give yourself a Christmas present and become a goat or legend member. BTC to who? To the people. To the people. Paul. To the people. Money for the people. Of the people. By the people. To the people. Let's go. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. What do I like, ANT? I like you to join us in Discord. Let's go, Raven. Let's go. Jokes. And it's 0 in milliseconds. You know, there was a dude, right? I need to go find that video. Where is it? Because I really want to play that video. Who did I send that video to? I must have sent it to somebody, but I'm gonna go find that video. Okay. What is that? Okay, I must have sent it to somebody. So there was a dude that was spamming. Oh, yeah, I found it. So let me play this video, guys. It's gonna make me do work though, just to play the stupid video. So okay. Dang it. Okay. Anyways, 1 second. This was a dude, trying to roast Bitcoin, right? Keep in mind though, this was at like $10,000 or $20,000, right? So let me play the video.
And a microsecond, whoop, like that. Bitcoin will go to fucking 0
one day.
And a microsecond, whoop, like that. Bitcoin will go to fucking 0
one day.
And a microsecond, whoop, like that.
Does that sound like you, Paul? It sounds like you, doesn't it? Whoop, 0. That was at $8,000, wasn't it? Where is it at now? Whoop, to 100K. Oh my goodness, that's funny. Sheesh. I love the confidence. Exactly, Dan. Exactly. Is it over? Maybe it is. I don't think it is, just because it's sitting above the 200 and the VWAP still. So as long as it stays above like these two levels, closer to 180, it's not. But that doesn't mean you should diamond hand it though. Yeah. Yep. Keep his money in the mattress. Funny. Yeah, I mean, maybe he's turned around though. Maybe he's done the research and turned around, but yeah. Yep. That was probably also a long time ago though, That was probably a long time ago, so Maybe he's turned around in the loved Bitcoin. So there's nothing wrong with that, right? Changing your stance and believing. But whoop to zero. Sheesh. But just look at the S&P, Dan. My goodness. Yeah, today is definitely a day to cook. A day to cook. Definitely a day to cook. That's a bit silly, isn't it? 4.5. Okay. Number one BS guy. Ah. Well, he also hasn't done any research. So. Zero. OPTX has too much resistance up there. Too much resistance. Yeah, it's typical like slowness until lunchtime, guys. Yeah, exactly, Lorenda. Yeah, I didn't have any more monies for dips, so no more monies. No monies. No more monies. So all I can do is watch at this point, you know. Uh, Whoop. Zero. Oopskies. Yeah. Yep. Exactly. Maybe in the new year, Lorenda, if there's still dips, you know. In the new year, yeah, if there's still dips, but if not, meh. At this point, it's whatever, you know. Cook or yeah, cook and we're happy. Has no chance. LDTC. I'm sure it does, right? But that thing looks way too weak for me. Your last support is 165. Below that, send it to the grave. So 165 needs to hold. If it doesn't, then garbage. You can find something else to make money in, you know, instead of stressing about that. And then AMPG needs to get back above $2. 3 or 4 during the bull run. Yeah. 602. Consolidating around 6, Bill. Yeah, let me pull that one up. VRA. VRA, the Glimpse Group. Yeah, it looks good. This one looks good. Yeah, this one's been spammed in Discord a few times. And we spammed this one yesterday as well, right? So yesterday, today, blah, blah, blah. Zhang, you're missing out. Come join us in Discord. You're missing out. Yeah, that thing looks beautiful. Look at that candle go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go, Vira. Let's go. 175 it can go. Yeah. So that's what Chris is looking for, 175. Yeah. 173 for breakouts, basically. Yeah, that looks good. Looks very, very good. Yeah, 5 more minutes, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and then we're gonna hop off and go continue in Discord already. So 5 more minutes. Again, don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. Just make sure you don't sign up for the level that says sold out, please. Otherwise, that doesn't give you access to Discord. Cool. But yeah, Vira does look good. I just hit resistance up there. Okay. Let's go, Dan. Where has the time gone? Best trading community in the universe. Much love all. Let's go. Dan, 34 months. How long is 34 months, guys? Somebody do the math for me. Do you guys watch soccer? Yeah, Zhang, we have a soccer channel in Discord. We have a fantasy soccer league in Discord. We gamble when it's the World Cup. Yeah, we watch soccer every weekend. Oh yeah, I guess almost 3 years, just under 3 years. Thank you, Dan. Yeah, time really has flown by, hasn't it? It's crazy. My goodness, crazy. Wow. Anyways, yes. Thank you, Troy. Fine. Thank you. I thank you. Yes. Thank you very much for everything you do, Dan. Yeah, right, Bill. I know. Thank you very much for everything you do. I really appreciate the support, and when we think of the community, you're definitely one of those people that people look up to, which is amazing. So thank you. Keep cooking, please. Raven, you need to rub it in, Raven. I only do math when it adds up to to monies, to yeah. Bill, don't FOMO into that thing, please. Alrighty, don't FOMO. I'm sure there will be a dip at some point. Yeah, no, Dan has been amazing. So much love, Dan. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Nope. Dan, absolutely not. Nope. I can only count stock market gains. Beyond that, you're asking for too much. It drops $2. What is the price of the stock? Does that work? It's 34. Yeah, see? Raven, perfect. Unbelievable. Um, Lorenda? Yeah. There goes Vira, guys. So that thing hit resistance, right? And then came back down. Right back down. Sheesh, that's a lot of volume actually. Wow. For that stock. Perfect. Perfect. I do like the vibe that we have though. We can roast everybody in a positive way, No and we all understand that now. So which is good. uh, William, you're no help. No help. See you in Discord, Kimbella. Alrighty, well done. See you in Discord. The AMPG, as long as AMPG stays above these bottoms here, then it has a chance. It has a chance already. So as long as it stays above those bottoms. The Blaze has 34 bananas. Uh, take care, Luna. Take care. Yeah, we're gonna go back to stock general and spam, and then I'm gonna do some one-on-ones. WCT looks like it's bouncing a bit there. WCT. No, that's not the right one. Not bad, huh? The volume is super low though, and the float is missing, so I don't quite know, but maybe something to watch. The S&P though, ooh-wee, look at that thing go. Don't give back the gains, please, and thank you, Dan. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and catch you in Discord. Catch you in the Discords already. Much love, everybody. We're gonna leave it here for the day. Again, if you do become a member, just send me an email at the email HotTradesX. Again, keep in mind that the lifetime membership stuff expires on Friday. So once that expires, then just we can forget about it. Forget about it already. So the code again to get a discount is HTX15. So that's if you're looking for a lifetime discount already. So that's the link at the bottom of the chat. Other than that, we do have a Discord, Veronica. That's where we're going to now. We're gonna go continue in Discord, right? Keep making monies in the Discords. Ready? So if you want to join us in Discord, again, that link I posted at the bottom there, that's the lifetime stuff. But if you just want to join Discord, that's the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. You have to become a member on YouTube first, right? Sign up for not the sold out level, Discord community, legend, or goat. Sign up for one of those 3 levels. And then there's going to be a link to join us in Discord under the community section on YouTube. Or send me an email, hotratesx@gmail once you become a member on YouTube, and I'll send you an invite. Alrighty? CM, see you in Discord already. William, much love. Thank you for the super chat again. See you in Discord. Azul, much love. See you in Discord. Atesh, see you in Discord. Raven, see you in Discord. Alrighty, y'all. Bye, guys. Bye, everybody. Bye, bye, bye. If I can remember how to end the stream. See you.